Example problem. Find the derivative of f of x is equal to tan inverse x. Find the derivative of tan inverse x. Not write directly formula 1 by 1 plus x square formula. In 1 mark question you can write direct answer, but find the 2 marks question or any 3 marks question are given. First of all, solution. Let y is equal to tan inverse x. Y is equal to tan inverse x. Now the tan inverse x, what is the rule of tan inverse x? Tan y, x is equal to tan inverse x, means x is equal to tan y. Differentiate with respect to x. X derivative 1, tan x derivative tan y, tan x derivative secant square x, tan y derivative secant square y into derivative of y is equal to dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to what? 1 by secant square y. Secant square formula, secant square y, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That's why secant square y is equal to 1 plus tan square y. 1 plus tan square y is equal to 1 by 1 plus tan y is equal to what? X. So x square dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. At the same way, remaining are sin inverse x, homework, remaining are at the same procedure. Remaining sin inverse x, cos inverse x, secant inverse x, cosecant inverse x. You have to do the homework. Simple. First y, take it y and convert into trigonometry, inverse. So derivative, as a sin y and go derivative of sin y cos y into dy by dx. So cos y is equal to what? Root of 1 minus sin square y. Okay. Next one. So go to exercise 5.3. Y is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Ninth problem. Y is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. What is the formula? Sin inverse means sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. Cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta when that by the depending on its domain. Okay. So cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta, sin inverse of sin theta, theta, tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta, cosecant inverse of cosecant theta also theta. So, 2x by 1 plus x square can be converted into in terms of sine. In terms of sine, what will take? What you have to take? X is equal to what? A sine 2 theta formula, sine 2a. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a into cos a and 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. First, let us take x is equal to tan a. Let x is equal to tan a. That implies what is a? A is equal to tan inverse x. So y is equal to we have to apply the direct formula. You can apply the direct formula. Which formula? Sin inverse x. So what is the derivative of sin inverse x? Sin inverse is derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Here 2x by 1 plus x square is x. Is a lengthy procedure. That is that procedure also correct, but lengthy procedure. Okay. So the simple procedure, simple one is sin inverse x. Y is equal to sin inverse of 2. What is x? Tan a. Tan a by 1 plus tan square a. So that is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a is equal to sin 2a. Sin cancel. That is equal to a. Y is equal to what is a? A is equal to tan inverse x. There is no derivative. Up to this one, no derivative, only simplify. Okay, when apply the derivative? Next, final one. Differentiate with respect to x. So, y derivative dy by dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Next 10th one, y is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. This is the formula of tan 3a formula. Put x is equal to tan a. A is equal to, that implies a is equal to tan inverse x. So y is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan a minus tan cube a, 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a, that is equal to tan inverse of tan 3a. Tan cancel, 3a is equal to 3 into a means what? Tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 3 into derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So finally that answer is 3 by 1 plus x square. Simple one. So y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Same, y is equal, same x is equal to tan a cos 2a formula. So y is equal to sin inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Y is equal to sin inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Here the problem is put x is equal to tan a. Same here also, put x is equal to tan a. That implies a is equal to tan inverse x. So y is equal to sin inverse of 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. So that is equal to sin inverse of cos 2a, not sin 2a. Okay. And next, sin inverse of sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Why the cos theta converted into sin theta? Because sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. Sin inverse of cos theta is not theta. So that's why the cos theta is converted into sin. So sin cancel. So y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2a. That is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 into what is a? Tan inverse x. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to pi by 2 is a constant minus 2 into derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So finally minus 2 by 1 plus x square. 13th one, y is equal to cos inverse of y is equal to cos inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Fourteenth problem, y is equal to sin inverse of y is equal to sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. So when apply the x is equal to, substitute the x is equal tan a, that formula is same as cos 2a. Cos 2a in terms of 2x by 1 plus x square root, 2x by 1 minus x square root, 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square root, 3x minus x cube minus by 1 minus 3x square. This type of formula in terms of tan, that formulas, all formulas in terms of tan. So remaining formula there is no tan. So sin 2a formula, the sin inverse of something. Sin inverse of something means sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. That's why these are totally the term convert into sin. How to convert sin? Any substitution method? Apply x is equal to tan cot sin. Okay. So here the problem is, put x is equal to sin or cos sin a. That implies a is equal to sin inverse x. Y is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin a into root of 1 minus sin square a. So that is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin a into root of 1 minus sin square a is equal to root cos square a. Root cos square is equal to cos a. So sin inverse of 2 sin a cos a is equal to sin 2a. Sin 2a formula not only single formula, two formulas sin 2a in terms of tan and in terms of sin and cos. So y is equal to, sine cancel 2a, that is equal to a is equal to sin inverse x. So okay, up to this one there is no derivative, only simplify, substitution. So now derivative with respect to x. So y derivative dy by dx is equal to derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, that is finally 2 by root of 1 minus x square. We have to think. All problems are not the same problems. All problems not the same, different. Same formula but different types. Thinking. That's why all are perfect in trigonometry formula, each and every formula, trigonometry formula or any formula. Next one, y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by root of, that is the root of 2x square minus 1. 1 by 2x square minus 1. Here x is equal to cos a is equal to cos inverse x. So secant inverse of 1 by 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square a minus 1 is equal to cos 2a, that is equal to secant inverse of 1 by cos 2a. So that is equal to secant inverse of 1 by cos is equal to secant 2, secant cancel, y is equal to 2a, 2 into a cos inverse x. So again derivative with respect to x, y derivative dy by dx is equal to 2 into cos inverse x derivative minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So finally minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square. So many problems, so many this type. Okay, first formulas you have to read, and next problems. Okay, next I will continue the tomorrow. First all do the homework. Okay.